Hi everyone, Mrs. Welsh here. Here we are, last week of July, last week of your summer class. I hope that you enjoyed the class. I am so sorry we didn't get to do anything in person. It is a little tough, but I tried to make it as simple but educational as possible for you. It was a lot of the a lot of the Zoom, not the Zoom, but the recordings and the YouTubes. But what I'd like to do for this last week, now grades are due on Friday, so I'm going to submit those Friday afternoon. But between now and then, your only assignment is to open up the sheet that I'm going to attach in coursework, fill that out, or actually just take that template and put into an email and send it to me. It's just some goals that you wanted to set. I'd love to hear, maybe what you extrapolated from some of those videos, whether it was setting goals, the SMART goals, the food and nutrition. Just send me an email and let me know, what you found, interesting, informative, maybe what you're going to build on. I thought the hydration and the water information was great because that's stuff that I never thought about. I mean, I drink water with my meals all the time and I don't time my water, and I'm just really more conscious about it now. So that helps you makes you feel better. And right now you should be drinking a lot of water to stay hydrated. And just some of the exercises, let me know if you increased your exercising or if over the summer, because it's so hot, you decreased. Just tell me a little bit about, what your summer looked like because of the health class. And I can always use that to move forward with some of my online teaching. And like I said, I just tried to make it simple for you. And I know you have other things going on. So there were only 7 of you in the class, so it was more manageable. But I also wanted to let you know that you may reach out, and if you want to take any of the quizzes again, I mean, you all have A's in the class, so that's fabulous. And if you wanted any additional information, if you wanted to retake a quiz, I am here. I'm happy to help. And if you're going to be on campus this semester or this coming semester, you're more than welcome to look me up. I am on campus. I am also the workforce development manager, so I am here every day, and I'll be teaching online again. So that's always frustrating. But good luck with everything, and I'm here if you need me. Have a happy and healthy week. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.